Welcome. In front of me is a GIGASET GS190, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into your phone. Now, before we get started, we will need this little thing, SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, or you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, so right over here. Push it in, and the tray will pop out. And on the tray you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. So just place each one of them. And once you drop your cards onto the tray, you want to keep it upright like I am right now, because there's nothing really holding those cards, so they could easily fall out. And then also carefully insert it back into the device. And as you can see, we have the enter pin message. That's because my card has a pin. And there we go. I have just unlocked it. So SIM card is working fine, and I can already see the SD card is working as well. So that is how you insert SIM and SD card into your phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.